Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of Collet in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and create. Now go to 2D sketch and we will select the XY plane. This will be the front plane. Now go to line command and first we will make a rough sketch of profile which we want. Okay, this is the base. Okay, now this is the profile which we want. Now go to dimensions. First give this dimension as 70 mm. This dimension will be 12.5. Okay, this dimension will be 10 mm. Okay, now we will give the horizontal dimensions. This will be 19 and this dimension will be 28. This vertical dimension will be 20 mm. Okay, now finish sketch and go to revolve command. Select this axis of rotation and OK. Now we will make this slot profile. For this, go to view, go to visual style and change it to wireframe. Okay. Now take the top view, rotate this profile. Now go to sketch and from origin we will select the exit plane. I will show you the exit plane will be at middle. Okay, so we will select the exit plane and go to create sketch. Now from here take center to center slot and make a slot profile over here. Okay, give this dimension. The center to center distance will be 8 mm and the total width of this slot will be 5 mm and the center from this edge will be at 5 mm. Okay, now go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Now finish sketch, go to 3D model, select this profile, go to extrude. Now select this profile, change the view, go to visual style, change the view back to shaded with edges. Now we will drag this outside, but you can see it's getting extrude. We want to cut the profile, so from here select cut and from here select symmetric, so it will cut both sides. Now drag this outward and OK. Now go to top view. Now you can see it's a through cut. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle command and from this center point make a circle of dia 14 mm. Okay, and finish sketch, go to 3D model and select extrude. Flip its direction, we want to cut the profile and from here you can select all and OK. Now this is also a through cut. Okay, now we will make this cut profile. Select this face once again, go to create sketch. Now select the line command. For first make a circle, go to circle command. From this center point make a circle of dia 40. Now go to line command From this center point, join till the center. Escape. Now go to offset. Select this line. Offset here at 1 mm. Similarly, this line offset here at 1 mm. Okay. 1 mm offset both sides. Now go to line command. From here to here, join one line. Similarly, from here to center point, join one line. Okay. Now escape. And we only want this profile, so the rest will be trimmed. So go to trim command, select this circle, only this profile will be left. Now finish sketch. You can see this profile. Go to extrude and select here. Give the dimension as 44 and flip the direction. Now you can see it is selected cut and OK. Now we will circular pattern this. So we will go to circular pattern, select extrude 3 feature, the rotation axis, select this circle profile and here give a count of 3 and OK. Now select this edge and go to fillet command and take a fillet of 2 mm, or you can take 1.5. Rotate the profile and select this edge, this, rotate, and this bottom edge. All the chamfers will be, or fillet will be 1.5 mm and OK. Go to home. Now from here give the color. We will select the cyan color. You can take any as per your requirement. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D model of collet in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.